Hello guys, welcome to day 10 of our graphic design training. Who is excited with me? So we are still talking about the principles of what? Graphic design, and today we'll be talking about what? Hierarchy. What is hierarchy all about? Hierarchy is all about organization. Organizing your words, your text, your color, your shape, everything to help pass information down to the viewer or the reader. The hierarchy helps to organize the work. It helps to project the beauty of the work. It helps to pass clear communication, yes, to the viewer of what the design, what the topic is all about. So hierarchy is quite important in graphic design. It organizes your work to look perfect. Yes, hierarchy is all about organization of your work. Yes, organization of your design. Let's say there is something we call chronological order. Okay, you start from the bigger one to the smaller one, or you start from the smaller one to the bigger one, or you start from the center, whichever one you want to start. So it's all about organizing your work in an orderly manner. Okay,